My name is Cheyenne and I want my hair grey blonde.
Grey blonde?
Yeah.
And not too much off?
No, not too much,
okay.
No.
Will you turn for you in the rest of the world to show how your hair is now? And you have still a green effect, and that's in for more than 2 years now?
Yeah.
Something like that.
More than 3 years, yes.
Wonder if it comes out.
Yeah, I hope it will work.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna make this beautiful young lady ultra light blonde in the silver tones. Start by bleaching her hair, part it. In the bleach I used 30 volume, that's 9%, and I used the plaque system because I don't want to damage the hair. I used the blue bleach of Cheyenne. But first, of course, I start with putting on the protection.
Ik vind dat je het echt heel gaaf hebt.
Dit hier, de ruimte.
Ja, dat is echt...
Dat is echt gek. Start to the neckline, building up. There's some parts a little bit shorter because she has a side shave and a bit to the nape. Not too much. We see afterwards what we're going to do with that. And between the layers of blonde I lay some plastic foil just to prevent from overheating. Put on my own protection. And green is a wonderful color, but it's very hard to get out of your hair. Beetje koud, denk ik.
Yeah.
She has an outgrow, so I put in the bleach over the total length. And she is, of course, natural blonde.
Ja.
Yes.
Natural blonde.
Yeah.
Geen idee welk blond,
Nee.
maar blond.
Ja, een beetje goudblond.
Ja, goudblond een beetje.
It's a bit gold blonde.
Ja.
Gonna melt her. I will lay the foils between it in about 4 centimeters of length. So the first lines are up to the skull bone. And then my first foil will come. I mostly work very fast by putting on the... Green is also a rest-over of ash tones. Ash are mostly green, and what happens, green is a blue and a yellow color, and when the blue gets out of the hair, because it's the weakest of all, then the yellow tones stay into your hair. Show you that from the side also. Now I lay the foil on my hair. Then I take a new layer on it. Set the hairs aside. And the bleach is ultra creamy by the plaque system. And you also see that there is a green color into her hair. The only thing that you can get the green out is with a red shampoo or a red conditioner. But then she is blonde and she will have pink hair. And that's what she don't want. And so I do all the hair. Now it took about 50 minutes to apply the bleach on the hair. But I already told you there's plaque system in, so don't worry about that. It stays nice cool. Now I'm going to start by waiting for 50 minutes. The last part I put the bleach on was on top. And then I control it, and I'll tell you afterwards how long it took to get in this color line. Floss. So we'll be back. Hello, we're back. It took about half hour to get into this light color. We put a plex system in, we let it in, it is now in the hair. We just make it real towel dry. And now we make a semi-permanent color. And we use the silver because she wants into the grey colors. Still a leftover of the greenish color, but that you can get out of your hair. It's very hard to do. It doesn't matter because the silver will certainly take a part of that. The semi-permanent color comes with an activator and it's about 2% and can also be applied on wet hair. It nurses the hair. And of course it doesn't smell like ammonia or something like that, because there's no ammonia in it. This apply every time the same as I did the bleach. Then leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse it out, and then go and see what we have to cut from our hair to get healthy hair again. Not too much, not too much.
Short bob.
Yeah, short bob. Would be something. I've got a bob. Now I've got all this product on her hair. So now I close the foil. Give it a little bit heat by the blow dryer because now it's cooled down a lot. And then after 50 minutes from now, because we already started a long time ago, and I just massage it into the hair, rinse it out, and go in for the cut. So we'll... Hello, we're back. Rinse it out after 20 minutes. Then put in a silver toner of Glyph, and you see that gives all the different shades of nice grey colors. So now I'm going to start by cutting her hair with TCC1CARECUT, starting in the neckline. Ik heb het kleiner. Building up, leaving it as long as possible. But get rid of the dry ends. TCC1CARECUT of Jaguar is a tool that works on 140 degrees Celsius. And seals the ends of the hair. In her case for more than 4 months. The nice thing of the toners is that you see the different shades of grey colors in it. But the green is gone. Yeah, hallelujah.
Amen.
What's wrong about green? It's a beautiful color. Now it is a beautiful color, but for hair it's hopeless. Hopelessly devoted to green. Your hair's green and I know it. Crazy. Coming to the side. Get this beautiful side shape. Still there.
It's still there.
Doesn't go anywhere.
Nope, it stays there.
Stays there.
The rest of my life.
No, I don't think so.
Probably when it will grow long. I will cut it
Yeah,
off
in
again.
5.5 years it is back.
And I will cut it off again because that's
Yeah. Get boring without side shape.
Let's do a side shape. Oh, not again. Yes, I will do that. You're gonna regret it. No, I won't. I regret it. I told you.
I'm sorry. So sorry. Side shave, allez. Yeah, I think you have more than 50 shades of grey. What will your father tell me now?
I wish what my boyfriend will tell you.
Okay. He's binding you on the bed.
Probably.
Get naughty. Yeah. Don't see a problem with that.
Me neither. So.
It's only 50 shades of grey.
Just 50 shades,
Just
whatever.
50, yeah. We can deal with that.
Easy.
Yeah, easy going. Grandma, I have more than 50 shades of grey. Don't worry, baby. I have it also.
Oh god.
A little bit of layer at the front, not much. Just slice cut through the hair. Connect it to the side and the back. It's the nice thing of a hot scissor. Yeah, it travels so easy through the hair. Now bend her head a bit to the front. Lay the hair straight down. So now I'm certain that all the lengths the same. I only have to do the side shave. That I don't do with a hot scissor, because then it's the other way of scissoring. It's very hard. Zie. Nou, limbo dans hier ook, heb je het in de gaten?
Ja, het gaat het je wel goed af.
Ja, vroeger kon ik dat heel goed. Ik kon vroeger echt helemaal naar de grond.
Ik ben een beelddenker. Oh my god.
Ja. Come to the side shave. Now she is growing this back, so I have a length here, but this is the length, real length. So I don't need all the length that's laying here. So create a nice new shape in it and let the rest grow on that. Voor mij ook weer een ambulance of zo.
Ja.
De wereld vergaat buiten.
Ja, volgens mij wel. Ja, we zitten veilig hier binnen.
Ja, zeker.
Ik heb wel dit ding instort.
Now don't need this, this woolly hair. Okay, now I can blow dry your hair in a very light brush to start with. Building up from the underlines up to the upper lines. So far blow dry. Now I use a brilliant gloss on her. It's a product from Cheyenne. Don't creases the hair. Smells ultra lovely. gives a satin feeling to the hair. Now I thank you for watching. I will take off Kate. She will turn around for you to show her hair. And be aware, there's a lot of lamplight, so you don't get influence of the colors, but when you go outside it will be totally normal grey. Okay, my love, you may turn around to show the world your new hair color. Your wonderful glow in your hair. How does your hair feel? Feel this?
It feels very soft.
Yeah.
And healthy.
So long ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for modeling.
Thank you for having me.
You're more than welcome.
Ik, Cheyenne, geef het recht aan Theo om dit te posten op social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc.
Dankjewel.